Hello everyone, welcome to my kungfu tutorial channel. This is Chai. I'm coming back with a new video. I have shown the videos step by step for everyone is understanding. The last episode video was step 1 of eagle strike. Today I will show the second step of eagle strikes. If you have difficulty understanding the status I have shown, please let me know in the comment box. I will try my best to explain to you better. We are learning kung fu step by step. Today we will learn eagle strike second step. Okay? Let's go. Stand position. Stand. Now. Fight position. Stand alert for fight. You have to go from side. But you have to go side by side. This way. You have to go up. This way. Okay? Alert for fight. Now. Block. Block to the enemy hand and hit to the enemy chest. And again, move your body. Attack. Hit behind you with elbow. Now, alert, stand alert, front side. Now, attack. Attack again and hit in this strikes. Hit. Now, attack both side. Now, will be attack both side, left and right. And okay. Now, this leg will be go up and attack both sides, just like hunting for eagle. We have to focus to the enemy. Okay, now your hand will round and hold on the enemy hand and attack. Move around your hand and hold on the enemy hand. Attack this point. Attack. Big short behind lead. Okay, now push up and attack. This hand will be pushed and this hand go attack. Okay, attack in this point. Okay, attack. Now push and this hand will be pushed and attack again, push, attack and kick. Block and attack with eagle legs. Now we have to block in the same way. Now we have to block in the same way. Block and chest into the enemy chest. Okay. Now we have to jump. Jump and again hit and scratch up to the enemy. This hit will be scratch up. Now kick again, stand alert and stand alert position. Okay. Now we will practice in finally now. Okay. Stand alert. Now block and hit. Move to the body. Hit is behind you. Now if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share to all your friends. Wait for get a new videos and wait for until I am back. Okay? Stay healthy, stay well. Bye bye. Cheers.